Today I'm going to be making some delicious lemon cupcakes with a really yummy buttercream and cream cheese icing. Let's get straight to it.
In a stand mixer or a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of desiccated coconut, half a cup of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, 125 grams of soft butter, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, and the zest of 1 lemon. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, you then want to mix slowly, and then set your mixer or your beaters on medium for 1 minute until everything's nicely combined. Then you want to come in with half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, approximately half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then mix on high for about 30 seconds to a minute until everything is nicely combined.
Alright, so now this mix is looking amazing and obviously smelling amazing. That delicious lemon smell is just incredible. So I'm going to take this out now and start filling up my cupcake tins. This mixture will make about 12. You don't want to fill them all the way up to the top because they will rise a bit. I'm just going to take it out and give it one quick mix around in the bowl, just to make sure there's no little lumps of something that's not being combined yet. Alright, and the way I like to do it, I've got 2 spoons here and I'm just going to spoon the mixture into all of these cupcake tins. So I've filled all of these cupcake tins to about 2/3 of the way full, and I've just spread the mixture slightly so it's kind of levelish, but they'll fix themselves in the oven. Now I'm going to bake these at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15-16 minutes, and they'll be ready once a toothpick goes in and then comes out clean. Okay, so my cupcakes are now out and they've cooled down and they look great. They've got some lovely caramelization on the top and they look fantastic. So I'm just going to set these over to the side for the moment and I'm going to get onto my icing. Now for the icing, I'm going to make a cream cheese buttercream with a nice hint of lemon in there too. So sometimes for cupcakes, I find the traditional American buttercream icing can be really strong and quite over the top. And I think sometimes adding some cream cheese really balances out that sweetness and adds a really nice depth of flavour to the cupcakes. I'm going to make this again in my stand mixer.
For the icing, add 125 grams of soft butter to the bowl, and you want to beat this on high for a good few minutes until it's nice and pale and fluffy. You then want to come along with 250 grams of nice room temperature softened cream cheese, and again you want to beat this for about a minute or so until it's nicely combined with the butter. Then you want to add 1/4 cup of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of vanilla, about 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and 450 grams of icing sugar, but add the icing sugar half at a time, and then you want to mix the icing sugar in slowly each time so that it doesn't form a cloud of dust. After it's slowly mixed in, you want to beat it on high for a good 30 seconds until it's nice and fluffy.
Alright, this is looking absolutely amazing. It is so nice and just fluffy and just a really nice hint of like lemon in there. Just, in my opinion, it's so much more well balanced than just a traditional buttercream. So from here I'm going to pop this icing into my icing bag and I'm going to start icing these cupcakes. If you don't have an icing bag, you can literally get a knife and kind of just spread it on top. Really whatever suits you, whatever you want to do. At the end of the day, it all tastes the same. And that is it, we are done. Here are my delicious lemon cupcakes with the cream cheese buttercream icing. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.